before, getting in was bad. You've never had me. I'm the acid man, and I'm gonna ruin your night.